Hello, my name is Nehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 29 September 2021. So today topic is containment. So containment relationship which is by object of the class and it is used as a member of the another class object. Then containment is used to access a few variable of the one class to the another class. Then if you want to do not access all variable of the one class, then we can use a containment. Then we can build a two class relationship using a containment. The new keyword use, if you build a relationship of the two class, then we use a new keyword. The new keyword used to create a new object of the one class to the another class. Then for example, we are taking one example of the containment. Taking a one class of a person one, then create a variables string name and integer age and give the value to the string name and integer age. Then take another class is a person 2, then also taking a variables, it's same as a string name and age and assign a value to the name and age. Then take a third class of the person 3 and then take a variable is a string name 3 and integer age 3 and give the value to the name 3 and age 3. And then also take a fourth class, it is a, and then take a variables to the fourth class which is a string name 4 and integer age 4 and give the value to the name 4 and age 4. Then now we are coming back to the first class. Then we create an object of the second class into the first class. Person 2, then P1 equals to new person P2. Then go to the second class and then create an object of the third class person 3 P3 equals to new P person 3 and then go to the another next class which is a person 3 and then create an object of the fourth class person 4 P4 equals to new person 4. Then now we are creating a main methods. Into the main methods we are create an object of the first class. Then create object of the first class which is person P equals to new person. So how to access a variable of the last class? Then take a object of the first class P dot P2 dot P3 dot P4 dot name. It means that it's a give the name 4, then it means that is give the output of the value of the class 4 which is a name is Somu. So containment is a create the object into the object. We can access object into the object. So it is an example of the containment. So we can also access a number of variables and number of variable using a containment object. It's not necessary to access all variables from the one class to another class. So this is a topic of the containment and explanation of the containment. Thank you.